In this section, we're going to cover arrays. Arrays are effectively containers within a single container. So rather than being able to store just one cookie in a single container, we are able to store multiple cookies within the same container, as indicated by the diagram. Each cookie within the container has its own reference number within the container. If you wanted to pick out a certain cookie, you could choose which one by selecting by its reference number. So a Python array would look as follows. In this example, the cookie jar can be treated as an array, which allows us opportunities to do things a little more efficiently. We can now reference cookie jar in our code and select which cookie we want to call up using the following command. Print cookie jar and then the index of 0. As you can see, this is selected cookie 1. And likewise, if we print out cookie jar and then the next index within the array, we get the result cookie 2. If you notice that our reference system starts from 0, a common mistake people make when referencing is they count the first item quite literally as 1. However, this is not how the referencing system was designed. It is simply a positional reference that happens to start with position 0. This becomes confusing when retrieving the length of an array, where it returns a size of 3 items, but to access any of those items you would start at 0. To demonstrate what happens when you try and access an item that is outside of the index array, we will use the following example. As you can see, we get the error below, list index out of range. That means the interpreter has gone away, looked in our cookie jar and tried to find the 4th cookie, but as you can see at the index 3, this cookie does not exist.